Hey everybody, welcome to another Wednesday night flow, and this is where I love to get crafty with fluid art. So I would like to use my Wednesday nights to do to work with resin or acrylic paints. And so in tonight's video we are going to go ahead and we are going to do some resin keychains. We are going to be decorating these resin keychains with some acrylic paint. Right here. So right here on the cup spinner is an experiment that I've been working on, and this is to see if we can take a sublimation tumbler, a ruined sublimation tumbler, where we don't have to burn it off or spray paint it, and just see if we can do an acrylic pour on top of the original design, and then once it's dry to just go ahead and coat it with some resin. All right, so this is for Sunday's video. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be aware of when this video gets posted. So look out for this video Sunday evening, and I will walk you through the entire process and we will see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So as I said, I'm going to be doing some designs with some acrylic paint markers on top of my resin letters. So what I did was the leftover resin from this project, I just poured them into I just added some black mica powder and poured them into these letter molds. And since I did that, I have a really nice black base to work on. So I'm about to design on them. So keep watching to see how this turns out. So what I like to do is when I'm working on a project with resin, I would just go ahead and whatever resin is left over, I just go ahead and fill up my letter molds because I do a lot of keychains. All right. So this is a black green that I had from my Dominoes project, but I'm just gonna work on these letters in today's video. All right, so for today's video I'm going to be using some acrylic paint markers to decorate these, and then we're going to top coat with some UV resin to finish it off. You can always mix a small amount of resin, let it sit for a while and thicken up, and then just go ahead and top coat and let it sit for 6 hours, and then you're good to go. Darling, oh darling, stay a while and figure me out. I promise you won't regret.